Here we have a Honda lawnmower that I had a hard time starting every single time in the springtime when you started the first. But then last year I installed a on the bottom of the carb. It's a simple installation. You just remove the bottom screw of the carb and you install the purge valve. With this purge valve installed, you will have access to the inside of the carburetor in order to put the solvent that will take all the debris from inside of the carb and leaving a carb in a good condition so the engine can start. It's very simple installation, and it comes with the spray can by Clean Carburetor. It's called GumBuster. It's for lawnmowers. There are some other specific. This one is for Honda engines and Honda clone engines only, or lawnmowers. And the back is our instructions showing how to use it, and the type of the carburetors that will fit on. Either way, this is the product made by cleancarburetor.com. It can be purchased online, and with this one, and then you'll just attach the hose of the can to the carb purge valve, and then you'll discharge the amount of spray inside the carb, and that is going to make it start. Thank you for watching.